Hello. I am Dave Maths. I have another fascinating indicial mathematics solution for you today. 6 raised to power 1/3 times 12 raised to power 1/3 all over 81 raised to power 1 over 6. 6 can be rewritten as 2 times 3 raised to power 1 over 3. While 12 can be written as 3 times 4 raised to power 1 over 3. And lastly we have 81 raised to power 1 over 6. It would be written as 3 raised to power 4 because 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 will give 81. And that's how we got 3 raised to 4. Next is to explicitly work with the power with each number. This is 3 times 2 raised to power 2 since 4 is the perfect square of 2. Next is the denominator. I have 3 raised to power 4 with 1 over 6 in bracket. I then expand each bracket to make the problem easier for me to tackle. Then I will multiply the square with 1 over 3, making it 2 over 3. I will do the same with the denominator. Multiply 4 with 1 over 6. 4 over 6 to the lowest terms becomes 2/3. Now we need to rearrange the base. Take every base 2 and every base 3 in close proximity to one another. After that we can apply the law of indices. Now for the exponent on base 2 we can add 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. And that's 3 over 3. Three divided by 3 is 1. Next is adding the power of exponent of 3's, which is 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. And that's 2 over 3. So we write 3 raised to power 2 over 3. All divided by 3 raised to power 2 over 3. Now we can cancel out the 3 raised to power 2 over 3 both in the numerator and denominator. Our final answer becomes 2 raised to power 1. Which is 2.